Alright guys, in this session today we're going to take a very short look at 6.4, day 2. We're going to review circumference and add in perimeter. Since really they're both the same thing, we're just measuring the distance around objects. So circumference is the distance around a circle. That we have our special equation for, which we've been working on. And a review of perimeter, and perimeter is the distance around a polygon. So any straight-edged shape that is not in a circular form. Okay? So circumference, distance around a circle, and perimeter, distance around a polygon. So as a review here, just from yesterday, circumference, remember again, is the distance around a circle. And our formula for that is C equals pi times diameter. Remember that pi itself is always 3.14. Okay, and we want to use the diameter. The diameter comes right through the middle. And let's say it's 4 inches. And we times that by 4. Do the math with our calculator and get our answer. Okay, which is 12.56. And that's in inches. Remember, that's just a distance, so it's just inches, nothing fancy. Okay, and then just review of our second topic, which is perimeter. Okay, perimeter is the distance around an object. We reviewed this earlier in the year and then a couple times throughout. But it's the distance around a polygon or a straight edge shape, and very simply it's all about adding. You just want to add up all of the sides on the shape. So in this rectangle you'd add up 4 different sides. Okay, and you could be adding up fractional sides like 1.5 inches, decimals, and whole numbers. Just depends what you're looking at. Okay, so perimeter is adding up all the sides, and here's a good example of that. Okay, your first example, here's a rectangle with dimensions of 1.9 centimeters and 3.7 centimeters. So your perimeter, or to find your perimeter, you would add up all the sides. And when we add up decimals, we line up decimal points, remember? Do your adding there, and we get 11.2, so the perimeter, or the P, perimeter on this shape is 11.2 centimeters. So this would be like, I'm trying to find the fence, what size fence I need to go around my yard. Okay, 11.2 centimeters, even though your yard is a lot bigger than centimeters. Okay, so it's distance around. And our final example today, it's a pretty short video, you're probably relieved, is just a review of a circumference problem. So there's our circle, and let's say the radius is 6.2 centimeters. So if we're going to find the circumference, very simply, just use your equation. Start with that. You got to see that first. Secondly, substitutions. Pi is 3.14, diameter. In this case, well, we don't know. All we know over there is the radius, right? So to find diameter, what do? Yeah, we have to double that or times it by 2. So 6.2 times 2, do it on the side there, normal multiplication. One number after the decimal point, so it's 12.4. So that goes, my diameter is 12.4, and that goes in my equation. So my first step is to write the equation, second step to do your substitutions, and then you can use your calculator to get the math. And that does come out to 38.936, and that is centimeters again. Okay? Alright, we're done. Here's your mastery. Just review mostly today, and really there isn't one. Surprise, surprise. You just need to show me your notes, and then you can get your assignment, okay? Alright, good luck.